Hello traders, welcome to the weekly and daily outlook on the pound dollar. Now the pound dollar has rallied to the trend line that I identified in my last couple of videos. Now the question is, what is the market going to do from here? Now the simple and the obvious answer is the market is likely going to do what the market has done before in this previous scenario, where the market moves down after touching the trend line. So we're likely going to see a move down here from there. But you also have to keep in mind that at some point this market is likely going to break out of this trend line. So let me give you a couple of clues as to when you can know what when the market is likely going to break out of this trend line. So if the market is going to break out of this trend line and continue moving up, there's two ways the market is likely going to do that. So the first way the market is likely going to give you a nice little correction above the trend line, and then it's going to take off. Or the second way that the market is likely going to break that trend line is the market is likely going to rally and break the previous structure, and then comes back down. Maybe it might give you a little retracement to form a reverse head and shoulders right there and go up. It might even come all the way back down to break this structure before taking off. So let's drop this down to our daily time frames, to our hourly time frame, and see if we do have any trading opportunity this week on the pound. So I'm actually going to drop this down a little bit lower to the 4-hour chart, because I've identified a structure level here which I think the market is likely going to come back to. And just like I always tell you guys, every time a market breaks a structure, it will retrace. It doesn't just go straight up. So this is the first structure level that we've got there. So the expectation is the market is going to come back. The market is going to retrace simply because of the fact that the market has got to the trend line point. And we already see the market is starting to respect the trend line. So if we drop this to the hourly time frame, do we have any trading opportunities? Well, at the moment we don't, because this could actually be seen as a nice correction that the market is likely going to go make another high. So keep in mind that the market is likely going to break that trend line, but obviously the shorts are more favored in this scenario, just because of the fact that we expect the market to respect the trend line and come back down. And obviously the first place you'll be looking to take targets is right at the 128.11, because that is the that's the next structure level that the market is likely going to come back to on the 4-hour chart.